When they copy you, it's because you've become an example. When they criticize you, it's because they can't copy you. Think about it, if they talk about you behind your back, it's a sign that you're ahead. If they watch you so much, it's because your light is shining brighter than theirs. The truth is that those who criticize can't stand to see others succeed. Do you know what hurts them? Seeing you reach places they can't even dream of reaching. Because those who are busy growing don't have time to throw stones. So, let them talk. Every negative word that comes out of their mouths only reveals the insecurity they carry. While they waste time trying to bring you down, you keep getting back up. Those who shine alone will never be extinguished by the wind of envy. While they talk, you conquer, step by step, without looking back. In the end, the noise they make will only serve as a soundtrack to your success. Ultimately, your journey is not about them, it's about you. Every criticism, every attempt to erase you, only reinforces the strength of your brilliance. So, move forward with confidence, knowing that the noise around you is only happening because you are making a difference. Don't let other people's insecurities distract you. Keep growing, achieving, and turning your dreams into reality. Remember, those who shine alone don't need approval, just determination. And while they talk, you will be writing your success story, one victory at a time. The future awaits you, and it is only as big as your courage to keep going.